Stop paying for API credits. Minmax just open sourced their massive 230 billion parameter model M2.7, and right now Nvidia is literally giving away free API endpoints for it. If you are building AI agent, coding prototype, or running web automation, this is the ultimate developer hack. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to claim your free API key, bypass local hardware limit, and plug this beast directly into your VS Code environment. So let's get into it. Before we grab the API key, you need to understand why M2.7 is not just a random model, it's built differently. Instead of just predicting the next token, M2.7 has a native self-evaluation loop. If you give it a complex coding task, it autonomously analyzes failure trajectories, plan changes, modify scope code, and run its own evolution. It literally trains and corrects itself over 100 rounds before giving you the final output. This makes it insanely powerful for developer workflows. Now, because it's 230 billion parameter, 99% of us can't run this locally. But Nvidia is hosting it free on their build platform. So go to build.nvidia.com. I will provide the link in the description as well. Create a free account and verify your phone number to unlock API access. Now go to homepage and click on this search button here and type Minmax 2.7, and here it is. Click on it, and a lot of guys ask, is there any hidden limit? Here is the reality check. Nvidia give you a rate limit of 40 requests per minute on the free tier for individuals or for developers and prototyping, but this is a massive generous. You will not hit that limit during normal vibe coding, correct? So now let's go for the integration. For that, on the NVIDIA dashboard, click View Code next to the model. To connect any OpenAI compatibility client, you need three things: the base URL, the model ID, and the API key. Here, already two are available. We need just API key. So click here and generate new API key. And look at this, the whole code is now here. So now what I have to do is just copy this whole code and paste in VS Code. For that, just create a file and now paste this whole code. So it's time to test it out. For that, I have made some changes here in this code, like it will create a index.html file and code when I run this, and here I have added the prompt as well. So now what it will do is it will create a landing page with hero section and containing navbar as well. As you can see, this is 230 billion parameters, so I think it will work best. So let's wait. So the file is created and let's open this in a live server. So overall the design looks good and better and also premium look. So I hope you will get to know how you can use this, and let me know if you have any problem regarding anything. Okay, so see you in the next video. Happy coding.